Welcome to my 15 minutes watercolor channel and to my studio. Today we'll make a sketch together with just two colors. I'm gonna use my sketchbook. This time this is Archie's sketchbook. The real Archie's 100% cotton paper, cold press. That's what I'm using for sketching. I just tape it on my table and we will start. The first question, some people ask me about why I tape my sketchbook on the table. Two reasons. First of all, for now, because I'm recording, I have to fix it on my table. Because if it's starting to move, it not will be comfortable for recording. And the second reason, I like the white frame around my sketches. We start sketch by pencil first. We're talking about the very simple street in Italy. And I don't want to pick up all the details, I want to simplify it like usual. And that's why this time I don't want to show you the source. So that's enough for sketching. Like usual, we just measure the space and the colors. Like I say, we're gonna make painting just in two colors. First of all, for sure, that will be pigments from the Daniel Smith. And for today, I choose one cold color, that's Cobalt, and the warm color, Quinacridone Sienna. Sometimes just two guys enough to explain our picture, because we have a big light, big shadow, and that's exactly what I need. Color for the light and color for the shadow. And these two guys perfectly mixed together. I will use my Eco palette, and to make the process more visible I just squeeze the Sienna here and the Cobalt there. I will use just one brush. You know that brush very well. This is a handmade Chinese brush and mixed between two hairs. But surprise is I left a lot of white paper here. The reason is simple. If I have to explain the light, sometimes the light is already there. It's just our white paper. That means all what I have to care about, the shadows. And I use the sky for now like a negative space to explain my shape. And because this is the real Archie's paper, it's not drying fast, and that means I have a lot of time to blend my colors, to make the gradients, to do everything I want to do. And that's great feeling. That's why that sketchbook, by the way, you know, that sketchbook created special for me. You can see the marks here. It's a good feeling on the sketching to use the same paper like you use in your studio. That give you a freedom, and you already know your materials very well. It's really good feeling. Now we're starting to mix the two guys together, and like usual we starting from the light part first. Like I say, idea is if we already have a light, we just have to care about the shadow, and that's simple job. By the way, you can see this brush give me a chance to make the very teeny lines and perfect touching. So this brush like something universal. You can use this for big washing and for the small touching in the same moment. Honestly, the style of my painting changed a lot when I'm discovering this brush, because the shape of the hair not perfect. It's not like a really sharp. We can make it a little bit more like that, and that make our touching more spontaneous. I like that. Like for instance, look at this. It's a very teeny lines, and everything made just by one brush. In the same moment I can wash it too. So like I say, for sketching, that's universal tool for any kind of job, just one. And you know, I'm a lazy guy. If I don't have to switch to another one tools and care about all the things and keep it in my mind, I feel good. It's simple, and that's good. You see, one brush, like I say, for any kind of job. Big shapes here I can wash without problem, and after that I can switch to make something precise. So it's, for me, it's a great combination. For now I'm starting to create the big shadow, because after that I just have to care about some details in the shadow, and that will be almost done. Good dry brush strikes. And like you already know, I never use the white, so if I need the negative space I just use the paper, like now. So we create the big shadow here, and you see I like that special effect, so I left it special without my control, and you see it's perfect textured mixing of the pigments. So that's why I stuck on the Daniel Smith, for instance, because the quality of the pigments just amazing, and you see what happens, it's natural and very good mixing. The cobalt going to be separated for the small parts here, and how they connect together, it's just perfect. So it's make like a good feeling about the old wall or something. So I just have to make some details there and the job will be almost done. I'm gonna use that trick to show the perspective better. A little bit textured old wall. And we playing with a game, like we make the negative space here white and here I make the dark lines, and it's going to be good relationship. The lamp. You see, that's why I like to use the Arches paper for the sketchbook, because you see it's still wet. After 10 minutes it's still wet, and that's great. So that means I can, if I want, I can play with that more. Even outside with a strong wind or sunlight, it's drying slowly. And I add some details inside here. All the time, if we have a chance to make our perspective more understandable, it makes sense to use it. textured wall. And in the end, just a little bit more details, small touching to make some accents. That's what I mean, right choose of the colors. Look at this. Itself, the Cobalt, it's not dark color. The Quinacridone Sienna, not dark color too, but together they make perfect dark mix. And so I have a full set. I can use the bright colors, and also if I need something dark, I can do it without problem. Okay, now we remove the tape. Like you see, finally we create a very simple sketch of the nice Italian street. Use just one brush and two pigments and good quality paper in my sketchbook. So sometimes that small set is enough to explain our subject. Just a question about the right choice of the colors and right tools like a brush. By the way, this brush, like the same sketchbook, you can find in my website watercoloronline.com, as well like a lot of different courses and video lessons. Welcome to my website, continue painting and stay healthy. Bye bye.